Hey everyone! Today I stumbled upon an incredible method to get Pokemon TCG Pocket free Poké Gold added to my account without any hassle. Curious about its legitimacy, I decided to give it a try. First, I logged into my game to note down my username and the current number of Poké Gold I had. With those details in hand, I went online to explore this so-called secret place. The process was straightforward. I entered my game details into the website offering Pokemon TCG Pocket free Poké Gold links and started the process. It wasn't long before a verification task popped up. To complete it, I had to download a game and play until I reached level 9. Honestly, it was simple, and I was determined to see if this worked. Once I completed the task, I refreshed my game, and guess what? The free Poké Gold was already in my account. This amazing method of acquiring Pokemon TCG free Poké Gold is something you shouldn't miss out on, especially now in December 2024 when the rewards are still available. It feels like unlocking a treasure chest using Pokemon TCG Pocket cheats that work seamlessly. If you're looking for a reliable way to get unlimited Poké Gold, these links are worth trying. Let me know if you try this method and get the same results. Thanks for watching.